so many research opportunities in applied physics and material science. Students from my cohort are developing wearable biosensors, creating quantum devices that could revolutionize quantum computing, building water-splitting devices for renewable energy, studying astrophysical jets, working on more sustainable batteries, and so much more. My favorite part of being a grad student at Caltech was working with very smart and very driven people.
I chose Caltech because I felt like it was the best place for me to blend my interest in material science and fundamental chemistry and do research that could impact the future of society.
So in the project that I collaborate with the Jet Propulsion Lab, we're looking at ways of creating a new biomaterial that could possibly be used as a candidate material for thrusters that are used in electric propulsion systems.
I worked on quantum memories, and these are devices that store light.
I work with microwave circuit to build a quantum simulator that potentially can tackle problems that are really hard to solve on classical computers.
My project is on trying to understand why and if divalent ions like zinc and magnesium or calcium can move through solids.
Thanks to K&I, now I can make nanoscale features that before it was not something feasible to do with the technology we had in the past. And that allows me to have devices that can operate at voltages that are similar to CMOS technology.
We have here at Caltech, in the Liquid Sunlight Alliance project, the largest program in the United States devoted to the subject of creation of chemical fuels and materials by sunlight-driven reduction of carbon dioxide.
Your first couple years, you're going to be taking a lot of classes: quantum physics, statistical mechanics, sort of classical physics and electromagnetism, math, and then the fifth one you kind of get to choose what you're interested in.
What I really like about the Caltech faculty is how approachable they are. I feel like I could easily ask questions to any of the faculty members about my research or about their research, and they would be happy to engage in conversation with me.
One of the really great things about material science at Caltech is that even though you're studying material science, you're free to do research in whatever department you want to. And I felt like this gave me the freedom to explore exactly what kind of research I wanted to do, which ended up being chemistry or electrochemistry.
Having a PhD from Caltech is like having the golden ticket. It opens so many opportunities for the future in just about any realm.
There are opportunities in all sectors of the world. Industry, government, nonprofit organizations, small companies, academic, in the United States and all around the world. And there are exciting opportunities in all of those sectors.
I got my PhD from Caltech in 2020, and earlier this month I started a job at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, working on superconducting detectors.
The other thing that's amazing about Caltech is the opportunity to interact with people from many walks of life. Because of its small size, eventually you get to know and recognize essentially everybody on campus.
I really like living here. We're really close to LA, so some of the things that I like to do is go into LA, visit different museums like the Getty.
I can go hiking in the mountains or go south to see the ocean.
I'm an avid soccer player. I play soccer with the graduate students and postdocs and staff here at Caltech, and it's a joy to be able to play all winter.
There's an awesome swimming pool, there's a gym, there are tennis courts.
Triathlons, I have some friends that I've done triathlons with here, so it's nice the weather permits you to be outside the entire year.
If you're combining a burning passion for solving real-world challenging science and technology problems with a real sense of scientific curiosity, I think it's that combination of a focus on fundamentals plus being willing and able to leap all the way to applications that can impact big societal problems. At least that is what motivates me to be here, and that's what energizes the students and postdocs that work here at Caltech.